Apart from the sourcing of production materials, procurement of manufacturing and operating supplies also impacts your company's productivity. We offer you full support so that the lean factory can make the most of its potential. Normally, many processes and movements are required to trigger the ordering process, and long distances have to be covered. Often, a lot of people and departments are involved, and opening hours of material issue counters have to be taken into account. That all costs time and money. Our automatic systems are game changers, ensuring steady material supply. Smart automation makes ordering more efficient, faster, and cheaper. On-demand, transparent, and absolutely safe thanks to access rights by barcode, by identification via PIN, or a third option, new or existing RFID cards. Access is granted as you wish. Flexibility is a prominent feature of our vending systems. ORSY Mat comes in various models. What is it they have in common? All of them are connected to the ERP system, automate ordering processes, and optimize your material stockpiling. For dispensing complete packaging units, our flap vending machine ORSY Mat FP is ideal, an all-rounder that also handles returnable packaging and bulky materials. Each of up to 72 compartments holds an item that can be removed on demand. The ORSY Mat RT really gets your material supplies moving. This rotational vending machine, with up to 384 compartments, can store many different products and is best for small and medium-sized items. Our helix-based vending machine, ORSY Mat HX, is ideal for individual items. Different size spirals can be combined and used for storing, say, a large number of gloves. After selecting an item, it can be removed from the output compartment. Vending machines can be set up in production, maintenance, the warehouse, or at the workplace. ORSY Mat FP, RT, and HX can be combined and interconnected with touch display for central control of all functions. When ORSY Mat WGT is opened via RFID card, you can take out the items as from a standard materials cabinet, but with a difference. Integrated weighing cells detect the number of pieces removed from a package and automatically trigger the ordering process. Automated ordering for a wide variety of parts, the ORSY Mat models can be scaled flexibly. For businesses with central storage, a small range of articles and modest consumption. Companies with several storage locations, a huge range and high volume consumption. Benefit from maximum supply security, transparency, and efficiency for your manufacturing and operating supplies 24/7 with the vending systems from Würth.